Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming iOS 26 is active and your device is backed up. This protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, open the App Store and install Nugget, and make sure to grant camera, microphone, and local network access because Nugget uses those for capture and sharing. Then, make sure background app refresh and notifications are enabled so processes run while the app is suspended. This avoids missed updates and improves reliability. Now you sign in, use Sign In with Apple for simple sync, then import or set preferences so your templates and defaults move with you. Next, configure capture settings like resolution and autosave. Select privacy masks if you want to blur sensitive areas because that avoids manual redaction later. After that, add the Nugget widget to your home or lock screen and customize quick actions for one-tap capture. This speeds routine tasks and keeps your most used features with. Finally, run a complete test. Capture, edit, and export to files or the share sheet to verify the whole chain works. If something fails, first toggle Nugget permissions in settings, then restart the device. If problems persist, reinstall the app because that clears corrupted caches. Make sure automatic app updates are enabled so you get iOS 26 compatibility fixes as they arrive. One key tip: check settings privacy for microphone or camera blocks. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.